The Code Interpreter is a new feature in ChatGPT that allows users to run code and get outputs or explanations from ChatGPT. This is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including data visualization, analysis, and editing. The Code Interpreter was created to address the need for a more accessible way to use code. In the past, coding was a skill that was only accessible to a select few. However, with the Code Interpreter, anyone can use code to solve problems and create new things. The Code Interpreter can run a variety of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and R. It can also access files that have been uploaded to ChatGPT. This allows users to run code on their own data sets and create custom visualizations. The Code Interpreter has a number of benefits, including it makes coding more accessible to everyone. It allows users to run code on their own data sets. It can create custom visualizations. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including data visualization, analysis, and editing. The Code Interpreter is still in beta, so there are some limitations. For example, it cannot run all types of code, and it may not be able to understand all types of prompts. However, the developers are constantly working to improve the Code Interpreter, so these limitations are likely to be addressed in the future. The Code Interpreter is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we use code. It is still in beta, but it has already shown great promise. As the Code Interpreter continues to develop, it is likely to become an essential tool for anyone who wants to use code to solve problems and create new things. In addition to the benefits listed above, the Code Interpreter also has the potential to help people learn to code, make coding more fun and engaging, democratize the use of code. Overall, the Code Interpreter is a powerful tool with a lot of potential. It is still in beta, but it is already clear that it has the potential to change the way we use code.